How about let's play a game now?
Okay, just listen to you.
So, I'm gonna introduce some of my friends, and maybe you can guess which country are they from.
Okay.
And then you'll get special prize.
Really? Okay then, so let's begin. Maybe it's France?
France? No.
Okay then, maybe it's Taiwan?
Taiwan? No.
Okay, so let me think. Maybe between France and Taiwan, let's say Vietnam.
Hey, you just got the answer.
Really? Wow, so great. I'm so great.
So let me give you the special prize now.
And what is it?
Hey, it's a hug.
Okay, maybe let's welcome the Vietnamese singers and please singers from Latin countries get prepared.
好，现在呢，我们请越南的唱歌表演，然后呢，请那个等一下跳salsa，请准备。